Isa sa naging markado sa akin with attending CVAP is the culture and the sense of community. Iba yung culture niya. Andun yung kultura ng sharing your talent and also helping out, helping others. Hindi ko na-feel dito yung pagalingan, payabangan. Kasi pag nasa creative industry ka, I've been there, talagang mafe-feel mo na pataasan ng ego eh. But I didn't see it here. Kahit yung mga mentors, yung mga trainers, yung mga hosts, even if they had so much experience already, hindi mo mafe-feel yung, oy, mas magaling ako sa'yo, pakinggan mo ako. No. And I really love yung culture na tulungan ka namin. Meron kang potential, meron kang talent, tutulungan ka namin. And kung ano man yung tanong na gusto mong itanong, yung mga kailangan mong matutunan, andun yung willingness to help. I will end this testimonial by saying, quoting again one of the Pochology quotes, someone out there needs to hear your voice. I mean, who knows who I can reach with my voice? Tumatak talaga yun sa isip ko eh. Who knows who I can help? Who knows kung sino yung mapapasaya ko?